In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to delete contacts from your Gmail account. So to do that, open your Gmail account, then come to this 9 dots, which is Google Apps. Click on it, then scroll down, you will see contacts. If you can't find it, just scroll down, you will find it. So my own is here. Click on contacts. It will open the contact page. So this is my contact page. On this page, you will see all your contacts that you have saved to your Gmail. In my own case, I have only one contact saved in this Gmail account. So to delete it, come to this the contact you want to delete. Come to these 3 dots. Click on it, and below you will see delete. Click on delete. So it will ask you delete from contacts. You click on move to trash. So it will be moved to trash. Then come to trash here. So, and this is the contact you have just deleted. Click on empty trash now. So it will ask you empty trash. You click on empty trash. So then it will ask you verify it is you to continue. Click on continue. Once you verify that it is you, the contact will be deleted. So you can see now that the contact has been deleted. So this is how to delete contacts from your Gmail account. Thank you for watching.